At Halloween time, there's no shortage of tasty treats for kids. But what about grown-ups? Don't we deserve a treat too? We certainly do. And if you like to cook even just a little bit, I've got 2 recipes to share that I think you're really going to like. They're a little more sophisticated than a Snickers bar, but they're still super easy, and they really tap into the flavors of the season. First, we're going to make some crunchy, savory, and sweet roasted pumpkin seeds. Then we'll pair it with a warm, creamy drink that tastes just like a caramel apple. It probably goes without saying, but if you're allergic to any of the ingredients in these recipes, don't eat or drink them. Now let's take a run to Superfood Town on Route 35 in Ocean for some ingredients. For our roasted pumpkin seeds, you'll need a nice big pumpkin, if you don't already have one, as well as brown sugar, light or dark, salted butter, fresh rosemary, salt, parchment paper, apple cider, vanilla ice cream, apple pie spice, caramel syrup, Now you can share these treats with kids if you want to, but just keep in mind, pumpkin seeds do present a choking hazard, especially in a moving car, like if you're taking them on the Jittery Joyride. Hot beverages, of course, can burn anyone, so please be careful. Have yourself a delicious little Halloween.